Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with a quick, focused backup so nothing is lost. Make sure files and the database are saved. Next, enable WP debug in WP config. PHP so errors appear. This reveals the how and why. Then, use FTP or your host file manager to open the error log and read the most recent PHP message. Once you have that line, note the file path and error type, because those details tell you whether a plugin, theme, or core file triggered the failure. Once done with logging, isolate the source by disabling plugins. Rename the plugins folder to plugins. Off and reload the site. If that fixes it, restore plugins one at a time to find the offender. If not, switch themes by renaming the active theme folder so WordPress uses a default theme. That confirms theme-related issues. Next, compare the errors file path to the plugin or theme you just toggled and review recent updates or custom code. This is how you tie the symptom to the specific culprit. You now repair by reinstalling the defective plugin or theme from a clean source or restore corrupted core files from your backup. That resolves most breakages. After replacing files, clear server and plugin caches so new code loads. Then, test the home page, login, and a few key pages to confirm functionality. Finally, set WP debug false and remove any debug output. If problems persist, one tip: check file permissions and PHP version compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.